Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So the vlog today is starting right from the road and we are come to have tender coconuts. So भैया एक मुझे medium दे दो. So my baby girl already took for her. The thing is she came early morning and she woke me up and she's like, let's go to Marga, we'll do some shopping. The time now is 11 and she just disturbed my sleep. It's Saturday, I thought, I just sleep properly. But then if you have a girlfriend, it's not possible. आएगी वो चैन छीनने के लिए.
कुछ भी मत बोल.
So we'll have this now. I actually do not have my breakfast. I think I'll directly have lunch. So here's my tender coconut. We have some work in Margaon. She has to buy something like for the wedding and all.
Last minute shopping.
Yes, that's a last minute shopping because she woke me up today early in the morning. Otherwise I would be sleeping right now. So yeah, we'll just go now.
A few minutes later.
So we have reached Margaon and now we are searching for the parking and see the traffic in front. Thank God we got the bike. Igloo boy. Makki hai so sarko.
What? It's been like 5 minutes that I am walking behind her. She knows most of the routes in the market. So she went to 2-3 shops and she did not get, and now she herself is lost that she does not know where we'll get it. The market guru is lost and I am also lost behind her.
दोनों शॉप ओपन नहीं आती हूँ.
कैसा गुरु तो दोनों शॉप ओपन आया जाते का.
दोनों शॉप के बेटा आने.
So since we did not find what we wanted in that market, we have come to the other market.
This poor guy holding my bag. How do you feel?
Exhausted. Finally, after searching the entire market, we got it here. And I think we'll be going home now. There's just one pen that's up to alter, and after that we'll go home. So my baby girl was thirsty, it seemed, after 2 minutes of shopping. So we are having avocado shake. Looking at her walking like this in front of me, it reminds me of the days that I used to come shopping with my family members. So we are done with all the shopping and the thing. Margaon, and we are come to have food at Hotel Madhav. And she had seen it on Insta, so she got me here. We want to have biryani. It's been quite a long time that we haven't had biryani, so we both were craving for biryani. Actually, she never liked biryani before, but since the time she met me, she has developed a taste for biryani, and it's her favorite also now. What do you say? Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Am I wrong? Yeah.
No, I'm not telling that. I'm telling my story how I was hating biryani, like why I did not like biryani. Because for me it was a task to separate the chicken and have the rice and remove the spices. When I was a kid, and I met this guy, and then I saw this guy was having biryani for breakfast, like for dinner, lunch, everything. Every time I was like, I want biryani. And then I also started liking biryani. That's the story.
Okay. इतना लंबा नहीं बोल रहा था. But yeah, we'll have biryani now and then we'll go home. Also today is the day of the roast. Yeah, it is the roast, and I am the bridesman and she is the bridesmaid. So we'll go over there maybe at around 3-4 and all. We have to take some things to the groom's house. I don't know what that thing is called in English, but in
Gifts.
Konkani it is called Dene. Okay, in English you can call it gifts also. So we'll go with that. And after that there is the roast ceremony.
It's like the gift the bride is taking because she'll settle there, no? So she'll take all the required things that she'll require there. So she'll take all the stuff.
Okay. And food is already come. Here's the biryani. And So I'll be having biryani, this is mine, and she'll be having salad, raita and gravy.
Nonsense, I'll be eating from this. Cheating karvaila. So we are back from the market and now we are going to Panchwadi, my cousin's place, to reach the gifts at groom's house, that is the Dene. And they called us at 3:30 and it's already 3:17 now. As always, we are late because of this guy. He takes so much time to dress up.
Nanu, Sarksaga. I was at her place at 2:45.
Liar, liar.
I don't know what this
I called you at 2:17.
2:17? No.
I called you at 2:17. No. No, I called him at 2:17 to come early and he came at 3.
3? Nanu?
Yeah.
Liar?
I'm not lying. Please tell in the comments who's lying. No. See how he has groomed himself, like wearing a hairband, glasses. So you'll know. I did not even apply lipstick, so you know. I did not take much time.
But still, we will manage somehow. We will reach right on time. We are already at Savandam, so you know it will hardly take around 5-10 minutes more for us to reach. So now we'll just go to Panchwadi and we'll see what's the status. I think we'll have to load all the gifts, that is Dene, in the rickshaw also. But we'll see. We'll manage and do it somehow. So we reached the bride's house and we are eating soj. Actually we had food, but like I wanted soj. Soj is one of my favorites, which is why I go for Bikra Jaun. Otherwise I never bother. But and here Sorpatal is getting prepared. So this is all for the rose ceremony, that is at night. And right now, so there's time for the Dene, like you know, to load it and all. But before that, we were just sitting, so we thought why not have soj and all. And this booker is ever ready for food.
Why only me? You also have the soj.
So we'll just like you know stay here and then we'll go. We'll have this and then we'll move on the other side. So the Dene is going right in front of us, and we also don't know the correct route to the house, but this one Naizala has sent us the map, so we'll be leading and we'll be showing like the way which side it is. We have reached the groom's location and we just came to park our car here. So we are you know done with all the Dene ceremonies and we are come to Savandam. So we already carried all our things, that we don't have to go back to Chandor and come back again. And we are feeling quite hungry. So her cousin only that day recommended a place, that is Gautam, for rose omelette. We'll see. Yeah, there is a food court over here in Savandam in the market. So we'll see what is there.
But you don't get KFC and all over there. You'll get roast omelette. Go on, authentic roast omelette.
There is a rose omelette and there are many other things also, but she only sees the rose omelette. Okay, leave it anyways. But no, and that also I think. So we'll go over there and I'll show you what exactly is there also. So this is Gautam's this thing rose omelette corner, and we ordered. This is chicken kafral and this is rose omelette.
And this is the order said Joshua.
This is our love language, that we share our food. So first I had this thing kafral and she was having rose omelette, but now we changed it. So I had one bread with kafral and I'm having one bread with rose omelette. So we reached the bride's house and it got quite late, meaning after having rose omelette and all, for us to reach. So we took all our things to go. She is still collecting something. Okay, chalo. So I think you know everyone is come. She was saying that the photographer and all is come. We can hear the music as well. So you know if there are English songs, I'll just like make it small clips and I'll show you, because if there are English songs, you know it gives you a copyright and all. Even with Hindi songs, Kongari songs, so you get less copyrights, but some they don't allow. But we'll see how it is. I'll show you the deco and all, how everything is set up. The backdrop looks really good. So we'll go now. The bride and one lady is ready. They were waiting for us. We are just come. So I'm ready and I'm wearing pink. I don't know how it looks on me. You all let me know. But since everyone is wearing and I thought I'll also wear, why not try? So yeah, I think the roast will start in like 10-15 minutes. Before that we'll do the photography. So we'll just go. So we had ordered a cake for the bride to be for Naizela. We'll cut it, I don't know, before the ceremony or after the ceremony.
Eight, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Congratulations. Let's
Because our madam was feeling hungry, it seems. That's why we have started with this thing, buffet.
I'm hungry, you're not hungry?
No. So I think I'm on a diet because I had a lot of snacks, but my girl is daba ke kha rahi hai.
Or dish everything. Prawns I think.
So coming for roast and not having soj is, you know, an incomplete tradition. So
this is the second time we're having the soup.
yeah, we had one in the afternoon and we'll be having one now. So we'll just have it and then we'll meet you all guys back. So we left for home now and the time right now is 1:10 and we are almost like, you know, we have reached the Shelday Hill and we'll be home in like 5-10 minutes. So overall today was a really tiring day and a really enjoyable day as well. We really enjoyed. She's tired, you know. Eyes are like almost out of battery now. She'll sleep any moment. But I really enjoyed today. Like after I think 6-7 years, I've been a bestman and I've sat for roast and all. She has been for her cousins I think 2-3 times.
This is my 4, 1, 2. Wait, let me count. Give me some time.
Okay, by the time she counts. So what happened is that you know, the roast started a bit late. I think it started around 9 and by the time the roast was done it was 10 and when we came out the music and all, everything was already out. Even this one, even the photographers were packing, so they just took one photo after the roast and then they left because it was late and you know, everyone needs to reach home and especially even I used to do photography. Even for me it was the same thing. I would prefer that I go home early and you know, even they give a time, so everyone should be home on time. But we missed out on the dance and you know, on the music, but it's fine. We will do it for the wedding day. Okay, so I think she's done counting us.
So this is my 5th time becoming a bridesmaid and 5th time I've applied rose. Not I have applied, people have applied to me.
She is still in a sleep. She
So this is the 5th time I'm saying and yours is I guess 3rd time. This is your 3rd.
3rd? किसको?
दोनों यार निकाल दे रहे तो तीसरे.
Yeah. So once, this is my third, but once I did not sit for roast because I did not like it that time. But that's a long story for some other time. But overall today I really enjoyed, and I think she also enjoyed.
तुझी रोसा किती उचलला?
त्या माय सांगतो. So so I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the videos, and if you have liked it and you have reached till here, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. You know, these days I'm getting a really good amount of response from you guys. I really love reading your comments. One comment comes, I go on to, you know, read it. I show it to her also. We discuss, and then we like, you know, we enjoy reading. I really enjoy reading the comments. So if you all have reached till here, please do comment. Something funny, something, anything. You all can ask me anything. You all can tell me anything. But please do comment. I really love it when you all comment. So yeah, I think I'll wind off today's video with this.
Bye.
Bye.